Shoot for the moon. Even if we miss you, you will land among the stars. Good morning, dear children. So today about different types of charts in Calc 2. So different type of charts. So one is your area chart. What type of chart it is? An area chart emphasizes the magnitude of change over time. It also shows the relationship of parts to a whole. Column chart. Column chart shows data changes over a period of time or illustrates comparisons among items. Categories are organized horizontally, values vertically, emphasizes variation over time. That means x-axis is your category axis and y-axis will be your value axis in column chart. Okay. Next, bar chart. Bar chart illustrates comparison among individual items. Categories are organized vertically, values horizontally to focus on comparing values and to place less emphasis on time. That means it is just opposite of column chart. In column chart, x-axis is your category axis, y-axis is your value axis. In bar chart, opposite. Here, categories are organized vertically means category axis is y-axis, values horizontally, that is means x-axis. Okay. One variation of bar chart is stacked chart. Okay. The stacked bar chart shows the relationship of individual items to the whole. Okay. Next one is your line chart. Line chart shows trends in data at equal intervals. Line charts are useful for depicting the change in a value over a period of time. Line graphs emphasize upon time flow and rate of change rather than amount of change. You can see this chart while you are watching live cricket games. Okay. After means suppose 10 over 20 over or comparison of runs between two teams after some overs, so line chart is used. Okay. It is also called frequency polygon. It shows comparisons. It clarifies and communicates relationship through time. Do not use more than one comparison for each visual. Okay. Next is your pie chart. A pie chart shows the proportional size of item that make up a data series to the sum of the items. Okay. Pie chart is a circular chart, all of you have seen. Okay. It always shows only one data series at a time. Pie charts highlight how each value in data series related proportionally to the whole. That is the sum of the values in the series. It shows the then do not chart. It shows the proportional nature of data but want to include more than one data series. It is also a circular chart like pie chart. A do not chart can have extra layers. The extra layer attempts to give pies another dimension of time. Okay, the similar type of chart, it is a circular chart, but in do not chart layers are there. Okay. Next is your XY or scatter chart. An XY chart either shows the relationship among the numeric values in several data series or plots two groups of numbers as one series of XY coordinates. This chart shows uneven intervals or cluster of data and is commonly used for scientific data. Net chart. A net chart displays data values as points connected by some lines in a grid net that resembles a spider net or a radar tube display. Net chart. Okay. Then stock chart. Every day you can see in the news channel that NIFT one. A stock chart illustrates the market trend given by opening price, bottom price, top price and closing price. Okay. Then it is the combination of column and line chart is a combination of column chart with a line chart. Okay. Let us see how this chart looks like and how it works. Okay. Already a data series I have made. So you just will plot the chart. Okay. Select the data, go to insert, then chart. Okay, column chart. So this is your category. X axis is your category axis and this is your y axis. Okay, and these colors represent your known as your legend, which represents the different data series. Okay, similarly same data will just change the chart type. So from column 2 we'll go for a bar chart. You see, this is your bar chart where the just the opposite of column chart. This value becomes your x axis and category becomes your y axis. Clear? Used to compare the data items. Column chart is used to change the data over a period of time. Okay. Here using bar chart, multiple comparisons you can do also. And another chart type. So let us make it a circular chart, which you are telling that is a pie chart. Okay, which represents the data values as a whole. Okay, see, it is showing the percentage. Value is your value as percentage. Okay, this a pressure washer is your 5,000 value and it is up to 16%. Okay, as a whole. So when you will take the mouse pointer, it will show how many percentage is it according to data values. Okay, next chart type is your area chart. Okay, so two types of area charts are there. Here you can see this one also, this type. Clear? X axis and y axis. Next, different chart change chart type. So we'll go to XY scatter chart, which is used for your scientific data. Clear? This data is not scientific, you know, but still it is representing. Okay. Next, stock chart. Any type you can select. Okay, then surface chart. You can take this as your surface chart. Then change chart type. You go for combo, means line and column chart, what we told, both the combination of. So you can take any chart type, that is your line and column, column chart and bar chart, both the combination known as your line chart and column chart. Sorry, line chart and column chart known as your combo, means both are combined together. So you can take a series, different data series, and try all types of chart and how it is looking and what are the what is means characteristics of that chart. Okay, almost all chart, line chart, this is. So the data changes over a period of time. This is your line chart. Okay, if we'll go for bar pie chart, and it will show you different chart, 3D pie. Okay, this is your donut chart where different layers are there. You will get different layers. Okay, in simple pie chart only one layer is there. Here different layers are there, because in donut chart we can represent different data series. Okay, in simple pie chart only one data series. So theories you read all. Okay, and try one data series, different data series you take. Books also given different data series you try. Okay, and hope you will understand. Any type of doubt you can ask in the doubt class also. Okay, thank you all. Have a nice day.